Dear students, in the previous audio clip, I have told you that what is order letter and why do we write order letter, what is the need of writing order letter, what are the do's and don'ts of writing an order letter, and what should we do and what should we not do when we are writing an order letter or we are placing an order through a letter. And we have also discussed about the format will remain same because order letter also comes in the category of formal letter, so the format remains same. Now let's discuss the sample of an order letter which I have arranged for you. Now let's see what the question says. The question says, write a letter to Messrs. Lakshmi Stationery Mart, Chavdi Bazar, Delhi, asking them to send their rates and terms of supply of stationery items. You are R.K. Mittal, Office Superintendent, Bundelkhand Public School, Jhansi. Word limit 125 to 150 words. Students, I always tell you that whenever a question is given, you read that question carefully because a lot of things are given in the question itself. Like if you can see here, write a letter to Messrs. Lakshmi Stationery Mart, Chavdi Bazar, Delhi. This thing is your receiver's address, asking them to send their rates and terms of supply for stationery items. You have what you have to ask from them. This is also given. You are R.K. Mittal, Office Superintendent, Bundelkhand Public School, Jhansi. So the sender's address is also given here and the word limit is also given 125 to 150 वर्ड्स. सो स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चंस को बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ा कीजिए क्योंकि क्वेश्चंस में ही काफ़ी चीज़ें आपको मिल जाएंगी जो आपको लेटर में लिखनी होती हैं. दे आर हेल्पफुल, रियली हेल्पफुल. लाइक हमें यहाँ पर रिसीवर एड्रेस भी मिला, सेंडर्स एड्रेस भी मिला, वर्ड लिमिट भी मिली और हमें क्या पूछना है वो भी हमें पता चल गया है इस क्वेश्चन को पढ़ के. सो रीड द क्वेश्चन केयरफुली. आई ऑलवेज say this thing to you. Now, first, format of the order letter will remain same word because it is also the category of formal letter. So first of all we will write the sender's address. This is our sender's address. Bundelkhand Public School, Jhansi. Then we will leave one line as we have to maintain the space, line gap. Then this is the date. You can see they have not written DATE. Then they have written 2 June 2016. It is just 2 June 2016 they have written. So whatever date you will write, you can mention the and you can mention like this. You can write 20th of April to 20 April 2016, or you can write April to 2020. Sorry, April 2020 or 20 April 2020, like this you can mention the date. Then you will leave the gap again. Then this is your receiver's address which is given in the question itself. This is the manager is the designation of the person, or the person will responsible for sending or executing your order. Then this is the address, Messrs. Lakshmi Stationery Mart, Chavdi Bazar, Delhi. Then as I have told you that there is an update, we will write salutation first, then we will write the subject. I have already told you about this updation, so please keep in mind. We have written dear sir as salutation, and subject I have told you that we must try to write in one line only, as brief as possible, inviting rates and terms of supply as they have written. Now body of the letter, I have told you that divide into 2 to 3 small paragraphs, not long paragraphs. Now the first paragraph, this is to bring to your notice that on behalf of Bundelkhand Public School, we would like to place a bulk order for the supply of stationery items for our school office and the administrative block for the session 2016-17. So here they have introduced about themselves that they are from this school and they want what do they want. They have told and for what they have want. So they have told you that they want a bulk order for their school or for stationery item, and for the session of 2016-17 you can mention like this. If you are giving in a bulk order, if the order is not the bulk in bulk, then you can write that we want these following items which are given below. Now the second paragraph, you can see we have selected a few leading stationers for the purpose of supply of these items. We have included your prestigious firm. Here prestigious means which have a reputation, very well known, very famous firm in the list, keeping in view the goodwill. Goodwill here means the एक अच्छी image बना रखी है, whatever they promise they fulfill it. That's why goodwill. इट इंजॉयस इन द स्टेशनरी मार्केट, उस बाज़ार में उनकी बहुत नाम है और एक बहुत अच्छी इमेज है. काइंडली कोट योर डिस्काउंट रेट्स इफ़ एनी विच विल ऑल्सो हेल्प गेट ड्यू वे एंड कंसिडरेशन. So they are also, because it is a bulk order, so they are hoping some discount from the company, so that's why they are mentioning this. Now students, in the next we will see whatever they are and whatever they are demanding from them, giving order, and how they are giving order. We need the following items with their brands and numbers of items required. ऐसा हम लिख सकते हैं, we need these items of these brands and with these many numbers. So what they have done, serial number, particulars, brand, numbers, serial 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 as you can see, and then particulars, pencil, tie paper, styling paper, computer paper, and so on. Then brand, and then numbers. Number here will represent quantity of the item. If you want 4 books only of different subjects, we will write science book 1, maths book 1, English book 1, and computer book 1. If you want in bulk, you will write the numbers also. So like they have written pencil HB Natraj 20 dozens, pencil HH Natraj 30 dozens, type paper star 20 reams, cyclostyling paper star 20 reams, computer paper star 40 reams, carbon ribbon scores 40 packets, carbon paper couriers 20 packets. So they have mentioned about the items, their brand names, and the quantity also. According to this they will send. This is their order. There will be no confusion in the the person who will deliver the order, that how many items they need, of which brand, of which company, everything they have mentioned clearly. Now the last paragraph, let us remind you once again that maximum discounts and the suitable terms of supply will be expected. They are reminding them also that discounts, they are expecting discounts from them, and suitable terms of supply, terms and conditions also will be suitable for both of them. Please let us know whether it will be possible for you to supply us the above items before 20th June. So they are giving them the deadline, they are giving them the time, that up to this date we want the delivery at our place. Kindly let us know the maximum time which you will require to supply us these items. They have told them about their delivery date, that up to this date we want, and they are asking from them, you also tell them how much maximum time do you need to deliver this order at our place. Then they are putting complimentary clause here, as you can see, yours sincerely. I have told you that you have to write yours, YOURS, without apostrophe s, so please keep in mind students. Then signature, name, and office superintendent. Students, here designation is mentioned. Why? Because in the question designation is given that you are R.K. Mittal office superintendent. That's why the designation is mentioned here. Name is also mentioned here. If the name and designation is mentioned in the question, you will mention it. Otherwise you can write ABC or XYZ. So this was the sample of placing an order letter. I hope all your doubts have been clear how you will write a placing an order letter, and if you have any doubt you can ask me in the comment box, and I hope that you all have understood the how to write a letter of placing an order. This is it for today students. Thank you.